Boho rustic vibey design. I'm going to show you how right now. I'm Michael Gaffney from Director of the American School of Flower Design with classes in 17 cities. So if you want to be a flower designer, come join me in class. You'll be a flower designer. I never fail. Boho, it's a leafy greeny. These are all scraps left over from class today. I'm going to turn it into something bridal worthy in 2 minutes. I call it the green design because you want to just keep adding greens around each flower. Watch carefully. I'm going to add little pieces. I'm going to start with some lemon leaf. Little pieces just shooting out, not big giant pieces, little tips. See it? It's pretty already. I'm going to add some little tips all around. Then I'm going to do what I call toss the salad. Toss the salad. I'm going to add some other greens. Oh, here's some grevillea I had laying around. Look how pretty that is. See how I'm going with that? You get it already. You're very smart. I'm going to add a little grevillea. A little more green, lemon leaf. And then I'm going to add a flower lower than the hydrangea. And then I'm going to green around that rose. It's already good looking. Then I'm going to switch hands. Notice how I switch hands, go from side to side, and add maybe a couple of roses. And toss the salad. That time I added some seeded eucalyptus. So I'll add a couple. I'll bring in a pink rose. And then I'm going to green around those flowers. Every time you add a flower, you simply green around it to give it that wild gardeny boho vibe that everybody wants. So continuing on, I'm tossing the salad and finding a couple other roses. I have a lily. How about a white lily? That'll be pretty to give that garden vibe. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to green around that lily. Again, every time you add a flower, you add some green. Now I'll add a pink rose. Give it some color. The girls are wearing pink dresses that day. And then I'm going to green around those. It's a very easy design to do. Just keep throwing some greens out in space. How about another lily right over there? And this is called threading. You take your greens, so Michael Gaffney's secret. I take my greens and I pull it through. See how much prettier? Look, I have another one. It makes your design by threading. You pull the greens down through the design and exposes your flowers. So I gotta go back to green, all the way around. See, I'm filling it in all the way around. Then I'll add, now you do a drone overview like this, because this is what you'll be looking at all day. Don't be looking at your hands, be looking at the top of your design, because that's what she'll be looking at. Ta-da! Add some more flying eucalyptus. Again, remember what I said in class. It's all about not stacking. See, I'm looking, where do I need a little more weight? Right over there. It's all about not stacking your flowers straight up and down, but sending them through. Look at that. There's the secret to life. It starts on one side and exits on the other. I'm going to switch hands. Now watch. I'm going to do some threading. Again, pull down my materials. And finish it off. A little more rogue greens. Florist gone wild. That's the look. You say my hand won't hold all this? It will. You could also clean these off better before you start, and you'll get more in your hand. So, again, I'm going to thread, pull. I'm going to keep threading my design. I'm going to add a little more lemon leaf over here for weight, and a little more flying eucalyptus to give it that bridally vibe. Oh, a little more grevillea, and you're on your way to your boho garden design. So, took me about 3 minutes to make. If I was charging, I'd make about $100. I've been doing this very long. A few more pieces of this, a little of that. I take my tape, I turn it upside down, I put some under my finger. I'm gonna tape this whole thing like this, go around several times, look out the window. I'm gonna look at the top, see what I need. I could have pushed these around a little deeper. And there you have it, boho chic. I think it looks pretty in a vase. You don't have to get married to make this. There it is. Your nice, loose, greeny boho. I'm gonna pull this rose up just a hair. Push that one over there. And there it is. Flower School 101. You want to learn how to do this stuff in 5 minutes? Join us in class. Keep blooming.